How to connect Bitget to Pixeltap by Pixelverse. I'm going to tell you how to connect Bitget to Pixeltap by Pixelverse. First, sign in to your Bitget account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create one. Once you're logged in, go to Settings and then API Management. This is where you'll generate the keys for Pixeltap. Now click on Create API Key and follow the prompts to generate your API key. Make sure to enable the permissions you need, like read and trade, if you plan to make trades. Now head over to your Pixeltap by Pixelverse, log in or sign up. In Pixeltap, go to the settings or integration sections and enter the API key from Bitget. Paste the key and save it to link your accounts.